Hey, today I'm going to show you how we create a related post in your theme without using plugin. As you can see now in my blog, I have a related post box where it's showing related post based on tags. So now we're going to use shortcode and we have to put it there under the content so it will appear as related posts in your blog. So I'm using 2010 by the way, and of course you can use any other theme as well which has functions.php. And as you can see now, I have funny post and joke post, and they are tagged as funny. As you can see now, they are tagged as funny, and because they have both the same tag as funny, so they will appear as related posts to each other. So I'm going to click on that funny post. Now if we scroll down, it doesn't have related post yet, but we're going to make that. So be under the navigation, this previous post, the next post navigation, under this next post navigation, we're going to make related post box. So the first step is we're going to our dashboard and go to appearance and editor. And I strongly recommend that you back up your theme functions or functions.php by copy it and paste it somewhere in Notepad or something. And if something goes wrong, then you can update it again in your cPanel. Going to click that functions.php, and here you're going to hit enter 2 times, and you're going to add the codes that I will provide you. This is the code to display a shortcode of related post, and I think I'm just delete it. So going to paste that in function.php, enter 1, enter, press enter key 1 time, that you see there is a separator between one function to each other. And basically here I gave a comment that it will display related posts without plugin, so you know what function that is. Okay, and if you're done, you're going to click update file. Now the file is successfully edited. Now we're going to refresh this funny post, and of course it will not appear because here we have to add or we have to call the function to appear. To do that, because we want to appear only in single page, so we're going to look for single post page called single.php. That is single post, single.php. We're going to click on that. And we want to display this related post under the navigation. So we're going to look for that div. I guess it's called navigations. As you can see now, we have navigation below. So under this ending div, we're going to add that div. So we're going to add our own div called related posts, like that. And I forgot the quotes. Right, and closing div, and here we're going to add h3 tag, h3, and we can type anything we want. I want related post, and you can type in anything you like. The wording doesn't matter. We're closing the h tag, and now we're going to call the function, which is php echo and do underscore shortcode, and closing the php file line, and then we're going to give quote to paste the parameter, and the parameter which call related underscore post. So that's it, and now we're going to clean up the code for a while like this, and now we're going to update file. Now if you refresh it, you see we missed something. Related post, it's appearing, but looks like we missed something. Square brackets we forgot. Actually I forgot, sorry guys. And now we're going to update file for the second time. Going to refresh the button. And of course, this joke post is related to funny post. Remember, they have the same tag called funny. So here it is, the same tag as funny. So joke post is related to funny post. If I click on that joke post, I'm sure that funny pose is related to joke pose, you see. So they're related to each other because they have the same text. The list will go long if you have a lot of text. But now we're going to stylize the CSS. You see now it doesn't have breathing space between the navigation and the H3 itself. So we're going to with $5, and it's called related pose. I'm going to edit CSS. This web developer tool add-on is very useful. Okay, related post, the div related post, and we look for background to see which one is that div. Background yellow, and as you can see, that is our related post div background. So from here until there. So now we're going to add something. Related post, we're going to put that related post H3 a little bit to the bottom. So H3, and we're going to margin top, we're going to put it 10 pixels, 0, 0, 0, that. And you see we have a breathing space, but maybe not enough, so we're going to put 20 maybe. See, 20 looks okay, but we're going to put it 25. Yeah, okay, we delete that background. We don't want that background to appear as yellow. But now you can see we have a nice breathing space above the related post. So now if you want to put that link more to down, so a little bit not so close to related post H3 tag itself, you're going to modify this margin attribute code. So actually this margin CSS attribute code is running clockwise. So this 25 pixel is top, and then to the right, and then to the bottom and left. So in this case we want to put more margin to down, so to the bottom. So we're going to add that for 10 pixel, and we will see what happens. Now as you can see, it has breathing space for 10 pixel, and if we're going to put 3, what happened? It's more far away. So 10 is fine. So after you are sure, playing around with margin and another style, and you're going to copy that and paste that into your stylesheet.css in appearance, and then editor, then styles, and then stylesheet, style.css file, click on that. Then you're going to scroll down to the bottom. So paste that in to the bottom in your CSS file, update file. Now if you refresh it, that's it, you're going to have it. So play around with the style as you like, and I hope it's going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.